Let's look at problem number 2 in the study guide. Strike through all the conditions for which it is impossible to construct a triangle and circle the conditions that construct a unique triangle. Remember that unique means that there's only one triangle that can be created from those measurements. So let's review when that happens. First, what are the conditions for a triangle to be impossible to construct? This comes from Lab 2 Activity 1, 2, and 3, as well as Lab 4 Activity 2, the second triangle, Condition 2. We saw that if one of the triangle's side lengths is too long, it is impossible to construct. Or if the angles are just too large, that if the angles combined together are more than 180 degrees. So let's come up here and look for that. Two 90-degree angles, that seems too large. So we'll strike through this one. Let's look for more like that. Oh, I see here I have a 90 and a 100. That seems too large. So we'll strike through that one. This is because the angles are too large. Same thing here. Angles are too large. All right, the other condition for impossible triangle is when one of the triangle side lengths is too long. So let's look for that. This has 3 side lengths, but they're all relatively small. This one has 3 side lengths, but one of them seems much larger than the other. 12 centimeters, 6, and 4. If I imagine building that out of our paper strips, I would have 12, 6, and 4. It wouldn't connect. So this one must be one of our answers. And so because the side length is too long. Let's see if there's any more like that. I see down here we have 3 side lengths. 11 does seem pretty big. Let's think about it. If I have 11 and I have a strip that's 8 and I have a strip that's 6, oh, that seems like it would make a triangle. Let's look down here. If I have 2, 3, and 11, oh, that doesn't seem right. 11, a little 3 strip, a little 2 strip. Oh, that would definitely not make a triangle. Let's strike that one through. Side lengths too long. So it looks like we found all of the conditions for which it's impossible to construct a triangle. Let's look at when it determines a unique triangle. We're looking for a situation where we either have 3 side lengths that aren't impossible, or the given measurements create an equilateral triangle. That's when there are the same sides and same angles in the triangle. Let's look up here. Right here, I see a triangle with 3 side lengths, and it's not impossible, so it must be unique. I see right here another triangle with 3 side lengths, so it must be unique. The rest of these, none of them are equilateral triangles. Different side lengths, different angles, and different side lengths. So we're complete. We found all of the unique triangles and crossed off all of the impossible ones.